Yes, people, welcome to a good comparison between Oberlo and DSers. And in this video, we're gonna talk about the price, a little bit about the pros and the cons, and we give you a good conclusion between Oberlo and DSers. So if you stick with me, I'm diving into my computer and I'm showing you exactly what's the difference between Oberlo and DSers. So let's go. Yes, people, welcome to a good comparison between Oberlo and DSers. If you are in the e-com game, you already know that these two giants are very popular and it's hard to choose between Oberlo and DSers. I'm gonna help you and I'm making this comparison for you so you can make a choice based on your needs. And well, we talk about the pros, the cons, and I give you a clear conclusion at the end. So let's dive into my computer and let's go. Let's talk about the pros and the cons. So first, the pros of Oberlo, and the first pro is a Shopify integration, and Oberlo's seamless integration with Shopify is a significant advantage if you're already using Shopify for your e-commerce business. This means that it works very good with one of the world's leading e-commerce platforms. Well, the second is an automatic product information upload. Both Oberlo and DSers offers the advantage of automatically uploading product information to your store, saving you valuable time. This feature streamlines the process and eliminates the need to create product descriptions and input specifications manually. Well, the third is bulk order processing. Oberlo allows users to process orders in bulk, a feature that can be a real time saver in managing your business. Well, the fourth one is varied pricing tiers. Oberlo offers a range of pricing tiers, ensuring that you can choose a plan that fits your specific business needs. Well, the cons of Oberlo is one, exclusive to Shopify. While the tight integration with Shopify is a pro, it's also a con if you prefer to use platforms like WooCommerce or Wich. Oberlo is exclusive to Shopify, limiting your options. Limited product vetting. Oberlo doesn't vet its products or suppliers for quality and reliability. That means you'll have to invest time in vetting suppliers and products, which can be a time-consuming process. The third one is mixed customer support reviews. Some customers have complained about slow customer support from Oberlo, and the platform does not offer 24/7 support. Well, the fourth one is less positive reviews. Oberlo generally has fewer positive reviews compared to DSers, which can be a concern if you value user feedback. Well, now we're gonna take a look of the pros and cons of DSers. Stick with me, dive in my computer, and I'm gonna tell you exactly some pros and some cons, and afterwards we dive into the conclusion. Well, the pros of DSers. Integration flexibility. DSers stands out with its flexibility, allowing integration with multiple platforms beyond Shopify, including WooCommerce and Wix. Well, the second is bulk order processing. Like Oberlo, DSers offers the advantage of processing orders in a bulk, a time-saving feature that many users appreciate. Positive customer support reviews. DSers' responsive 24/7 customer support is frequently praised by users, offering peace of mind when you need assistance. Well, the fourth one is more positive reviews. DSers tend to have more positive reviews compared to Oberlo, which can be an indicator of customer satisfaction. Well, now the cons of DSers. No automatic integration with Shopify. DSers doesn't provide the same seamless integration with Shopify as Oberlo does. You are already using Shopify, this might be a drawback. The second one is limited reviews on trusted platforms. DSers lack reviews on well-known review sites like Better Business Bureau and Trustpilot, which may raise concerns for some users. Well, the third one is no product vetting. Similar to Oberlo, DSers doesn't vet its products or suppliers, meaning you'll need to invest time in ensuring product quality and supplier reliability. The fourth one is annual subscription requirement. While DSers offers savings through annual subscription, it requires upfront funds for the lump sum payments, which might be not suitable for all users. So, and if you want to know the conclusion, Oberlo offers excellent integration with Shopify, while DSers provides more platform flexibility and better customer support. However, both platforms lack product vetting and have their limitations. The choice between them depends on your specific business needs. And we show you now a good overview of the pros and the cons, and you can take your conclusion based on our little schedule and scheme in this overview. You can copy it, you can take a screenshot, and well, I hope that helped you a little bit. We see you in the next video with a new comparison. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.